The following operator training video on the Hobart Model 4732 chopper is a supplement to the instruction manual that came with your chopper. If you have any questions concerning operation, please consult your manual. Your Hobart Model 4732 chopper is constructed and designed to give long, satisfactory service, providing it is properly used and maintained. This training video will cover the operation of the chopper and its cleaning. The Hobart Model 4732 chopper is designed to grind 35 to 40 pounds of fresh or tempered frozen, above 24 degrees Fahrenheit, meat per minute through a 1/8-inch plate. It uses a 3-horsepower Hobart-built motor and is available for single or 3-phase service. A tinned feed pan is standard equipment. Cut the meat into chunks about the size of a fist and place in the feed pan. The fineness of cut depends on the size holes in the chopper plate. The knife and plate must be kept clean and sharp for a fine cut. The tightness of the adjusting ring does not regulate fineness of cut. Therefore, only moderate tightness is recommended. The adjusting ring should be hand tight. The meat deflector should be placed over the adjusting ring. Start the machine by pulling the start-stop switch knob. Feed meat under the guard and into the feed pan opening. Warning, never place hands into the feed pan opening. Use the feed stomper. The feed stomper should be used to dislodge oversized pieces and to dislodge meat which may become stuck in the feed pan opening or cylinder opening. It is not necessary to force meat through the chopper. When the product is run through the chopper for a second time, more speed is attained by feeding small quantities at a time. Allow the machine to feed at its own pace. The chopper should be thoroughly cleaned at the end of each day or any time the machine is not to be used for an extended period of time. To disassemble for cleaning, disconnect the electrical power supply. Pull the meat deflector straight up to remove it. Using the spanner wrench, loosen the adjusting ring. Then unscrew and remove the adjusting ring with both hands. Place it in a sink for cleaning. Hook the spanner wrench around the plate stud and pull the worm end out of the cylinder. Then remove the plate, the knife, and then the worm. Take the parts to a sink for cleaning. Using the spanner wrench, loosen but do not remove the cylinder nuts. With one hand on the bottom of the cylinder for support, it's heavy, turn the cylinder clockwise and remove to the sink. The feed pan is permanently attached to the machine and is designed to be cleaned in place. To clean the feed pan, place a bucket under the feed chute of the pan and thoroughly clean using hot soapy water. After rinsing, the pan should be sanitized. Thoroughly clean all removed parts in a sink using hot soapy water and sanitize them. Wipe the machine housing with a damp cloth. Prior to reassembly, a light coating of tasteless mineral oil should be applied to the inside of the cylinder, the threads on the cylinder and adjusting ring, the worm edges, the knife and plate, and any other exposed, non-plated metal surfaces. To reassemble the machine, first install the cylinder. With the cylinder in position, rotate it counterclockwise until the ears are under the cylinder nuts. Tighten the cylinder nuts finger tight. Slide the worm on the cylinder and rotate it to engage the square shank with the attachment drive. With the spanner wrench, tighten the cylinder nuts. Caution, do not over-tighten the cylinder nuts. Install the knife, cutting edges out, and the plate. Screw the adjusting ring on hand tight. Store the feed stopper here. This concludes operator training for the Hobart Model 4732 chopper. To obtain service and parts information concerning this chopper, contact your local Hobart service office.